Hey, this is Arlene. It is April the 28th, 2021. Still getting targeted with frequencies from my refrigerator. It is also from my bottom of my refrigerator. So it is covering all of my apartment. So my legs, because I'm facing the window at my desk, the back of my ankles and my calves are getting targeted from the refrigerator. I'm facing it right now, so my knees are getting targeted from the refrigerator with frequencies. 5640 Santa Monica Boulevard, Los Angeles, California, 90038. Google it or Yelp it.